Want to win in trading? You need an edge. It's like having a secret weapon, a way to outsmart the market. Without an edge, you're just guessing, and guessing leads to losses. An edge gives you a higher chance of winning. It's based on logic, analysis, and a deep understanding of the market. Think of it as your trading superpower. Imagine stepping into a boxing ring with a plan. You've studied your opponent, you know their weaknesses. That's your edge. In trading, your edge is your strategy, your knowledge, your ability to find opportunities others miss. So, are you ready to discover your trading edge? Let's dive in. Imagine testing your trading strategy without risking real money. That's the power of backtesting. It's like having a time machine for your trades. Backtesting lets you see how your strategy would have performed in the past. You're essentially simulating trades using historical data. This helps you identify flaws in your plan and make improvements. Think of it like practicing for a big game. You wouldn't just show up on game day without practice, right? Backtesting is your trading practice. It helps you gain confidence and refine your approach. By analyzing past results, you can identify patterns, adjust your entry and exit points, and optimize your risk management. Backtesting is an essential tool for any serious trader. Emotions drive the market. Fear, greed, hope. These sentiments influence trading decisions. Sentiment analysis helps you tap into this collective emotion. By analyzing news articles, social media posts, and other sources, you can gauge market sentiment. Are people bullish, meaning positive, or bearish, meaning negative? Understanding sentiment gives you an extra layer of insight. It helps you anticipate market movements and make more informed decisions. Imagine knowing that a majority of traders are pessimistic about a particular stock. This could present a buying opportunity for you, as fear often leads to undervalued assets. Sentiment analysis tools provide valuable data points, helping you ride the waves of market emotion. Moving averages are like a roadmap for traders. They smooth out price fluctuations, revealing the underlying trend of an asset. Imagine a road with many bumps and curves. Moving averages act like a smooth highway, making it easier to see the direction you're heading. There are different types of moving averages, such as the simple moving average and the exponential moving average. Each has its own calculation method, but the goal is the same: to identify trends. Traders use moving averages to spot potential buy and sell signals. For example, when the price crosses above a moving average, it could indicate an uptrend. By incorporating moving averages into your strategy, you can make more informed decisions based on the overall trend. Section 5. RSI. Spotting overbought and oversold opportunities. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is like a fuel gauge for stocks. It tells you if a stock is overbought, meaning overpriced, or oversold, meaning underpriced. Imagine a car running low on fuel. It's likely to stop soon, right? Similarly, an overbought stock is likely to experience a price correction. The RSI oscillates between 0 and 100. Readings above 70 typically indicate an overbought condition, while readings below 30 suggest oversold. Traders use the RSI to identify potential reversal points. For example, if the RSI is above 70 and starts to decline, it could be a signal to sell. By understanding the RSI, you can spot opportunities to buy low and sell high, capitalizing on market extremes. Section 6. MACD. Unveiling Momentum Shifts. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD, is a momentum indicator that helps you identify shifts in the strength and direction of a trend. Think of MACD as a speedometer for the market. It tells you how fast the price is moving and in what direction. The MACD consists of two lines, the MACD line and the signal line. Crossovers between these lines can generate buy and sell signals. For example, when the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it suggests bullish momentum. Conversely, a crossover below the signal line indicates bearish momentum. By analyzing MACD patterns, you can gain insights into the underlying strength of a trend and make more timely trading decisions. Section 7. Real results. Backtesting and success rates. We've talked about strategies, but how do you know if they actually work? That's where backtesting and real-life results come in. Backtesting allows us to test these strategies using historical data. We can see how they would have performed in the past, giving us an idea of their potential. And the results? We've seen impressive success rates with these strategies. Of course, past performance is not indicative of future results, but it gives us confidence in their effectiveness. Imagine testing a trading strategy and seeing that it generated a 70% win rate over the past year. That's a strong indication that the strategy has potential. By sharing these backtesting results and real-life success stories, we aim to provide you with tangible evidence of what's possible. Section 8. Your reward awaits. Claim your Rs 21,000 bonus. Want to jumpstart your trading journey? We're offering an exclusive reward for our dedicated readers. A Rs 21,000 bonus to kickstart your trading journey. That's right. Simply by being here, you've unlocked an incredible opportunity to boost your trading capital. But hurry, this offer is for a limited time only. To claim your bonus, all you need to do is take a screenshot of this page while watching this video on YouTube and share it with us on WhatsApp. It's that simple. Don't miss out on this incredible chance to gain an edge in the markets. Claim your Rs 21,000 bonus today. Section 9. Unlock your free financial calculators. As a bonus, we're also giving away a suite of free financial calculators to help you make smarter trading decisions. These calculators are designed to simplify complex calculations, giving you the insights you need to optimize your trades. From calculating your risk and reward ratios to determining position sizes, our calculators empower you to trade with confidence. To access your free calculators, simply send a screenshot of this page while watching this video on YouTube to our WhatsApp number and we'll send you the link. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Claim your free financial calculators today. Section 10. The power of an edge. Your journey to trading mastery. Remember, trading is a journey, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But with the right tools and knowledge, you can achieve incredible things. Finding your edge is crucial. It's what separates successful traders from the rest. By using the strategies and tools we've discussed, you can gain a significant advantage in the markets. Backtesting, sentiment analysis, technical indicators. These are your weapons in the trading arena. Use them wisely and you'll be well on your way to trading mastery. So, are you ready to take your trading to the next level? Claim your bonus, download your free calculators, and let's embark on this exciting journey together.